It's Densanaga here, and today I want to show you how to use a blast furnace, a respawn anchor, and a smoker. To build a blast furnace, you'll need is 5 iron ingot, 3 smooth stone, and a furnace. So we're gonna make a furnace in the middle. Put 3 smooth stone and then surround the furnace with 5 iron. And then you'll get the blast furnace. And you know what it does. You don't know what it does? Well, we'll need some coal. It will only smelt some ores. Like, it will only smell ores like iron, raw iron, raw copper, and raw gold. Okay, so we're gonna smelt. It will smelt faster. So a blast furnace is like an upgrade, but it only cooks some ores. And look, we got some gold ingots. Now we're gonna do raw copper. It will turn into copper ingot, and it smelts faster than usual, like the original furnace. So yeah. Ada kecoa man. Okay, so now we're gonna cook raw iron. And then now we're gonna use a respawn anchor. To craft it, we need to have 6 scrying obsidian and 3 glowstone. So we're gonna do 3 scrying obsidian here, and then 3 scrying obsidian at the bottom. And now we're gonna put 3 glowstone. And now we can make a respawn anchor. So how to use it is, you'll need glowstone dust. You'll need glowstone and put 4 of them. As you die in survival, it will make you respawn back into here. And then, if you died 4 times, the gold. Sorry guys, something happened. Well, that was fun. So we'll need 4 spruce logs and 1 furnace. And craft it to make a smoker. And what it does, it's like the blast furnace, but it will cook food more faster, just like this. First we need to get some coal. Okay, so look what it does. It cooks food faster. See? So It's like a opposite version of a blast furnace. It cooks food faster. Okay, that's it for the video. See you guys next time. And like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Goodbye.